the CEO of Merlion Airline.
Hi, I'm Wendy, the Chief Marketing Officer.
My name is Zoe, and in Merlion Airline, my responsibility is Chief Human Resource Officer.
Hi, I'm Bella, the Chief Financial Officer.
Hi, I'm Estella, the Chief Operating Officer.
In the following, I will shortly introduce about the Merlion Airline. The Merlion Airline's logo is a cartoon merlion, inspired by the structure which responds the image of Singapore, and the headquarters is located at Singapore Changi Airport. We would like to build in the flag carrier airline of the Pacific Ocean. As this result, Merlion Airline emphasis providing the fantastic flying experience to our guests.
The target market of Merlion Airlines is MICE travelers in Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. MICE is an abbreviation for meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, which is a specialized tourism market segment closely related to business tourism. MICE travelers are usually decision makers, managers at all levels of a company, organization, and association, and they have the following three characteristics. First, corporate comfort. Business travelers are more willing to pay to book last-minute flights, non-stop and premium C-section seats. Second, location is key. MICE travelers need easy access to reach their destinations. Third, continuously connected. MICE travelers often use mobile phones or other devices to keep in touch with clients and colleagues during the trip. Here is the timeline for Merlion Airlines to expanding the network in the first 2 years. In the first half year, Merlion Airlines established main base in Singapore and fly to major cities in Asia Pacific as shown on map. In the second half year, Merlion Airlines established long-haul flights from Singapore to Europe and North American cities. In the third half year, the airline opened bases in Europe and North America, that is, established both domestic and international flights from Amsterdam and New York, as shown. In the last half year, Merlion Airlines established more routes to link other major international cities with high travel demand.
Let's move on our KPI and goals. We aim to maintain a steady increase in our passenger number during the 2 years, and it is expected to reach 917 million at the end of year 2. We plan to have 15 aircraft in total. All of them will be fuel efficient. For the safety consideration, all the aircraft will less than 5 years old, and we try to maintain our load factor around 75% to 85% in this 2 years. We will offer economy and business class on all aircraft. In addition, we offer first class on intercontinental routes. Towards the end of year 2, our RASK expect to reach 0.27 and the CASK grows to 0.16. We will try our best to increase the gap between our RASK and CASK.
To achieve the goal, we adopt some strategies. The first one is pricing. Mass travelers are very business-oriented, and periodically, we adopt a pricing strategy to manage the yield in non-peak periods. Data shows that leisure travelers are not as sensitive to the period as mass travelers, so we provide discount to low load factor flights to increase leisure travelers' demand and guarantee our profits. The second one is code sharing. To expand the network and increase potential passenger, we will share flight codes with partners. The third one is marketing. We will build partnerships with major travel agencies and provide commissions for them. Mass media will also be an important part of marketing strategies. The fourth one is providing high-level services. Mass travelers prefer high-level services to maintain our passenger and attract potential passenger. We will provide free Wi-Fi and high-standard food for all passengers, intertreatment equipment for first and business class passengers. Also, self-check-in system and digital boarding pass system will be introduced to create more flexible travels for passengers. The last one is limited type of aircraft. To reduce the time and financial costs of purchasing new aircraft and the cost of crew training, we decide to rent a limited type of aircraft rather than purchase.
We would like see you in Merlion Airline.